If you own the iPhone XR and are looking for an official silicone case, you won't find it because Apple doesn't make one. I found that out after I got my XR. But after doing some research, I found a promising silicone case from Spigen. This is actually the second silicone case I've bought for my XR, and right out of the package it definitely has a nice feel to it with a soft surface. There's no Apple logo on the back, but I think it's nice that the Spigen logo is very subtle on the bottom. Like most silicone cases, the inside is lined with microfiber so it won't scratch the phone during use. And on a closer look, it's got Spigen's slogan embossed on the microfiber lining. The bottom of this case is open for easy access to the lightning port and speaker output. Slipping the iPhone XR into the case is easy thanks to the lining on the inside. When the phone is inside, the silicone case feels very secure on the iPhone XR. It doesn't add much bulk to the phone and it's grippy, which is why I like silicone cases. One reason to use a case with the XR is because the back camera sticks out from the surface of the phone. And the Spigen case has just enough depth to protect the camera lens from scratches when you set the phone down. Volume controls work perfectly and the silent switch can be easily accessed. And even though the bottom is open, the phone still feels really secure inside the case. And here's the best part of using silicone cases. It grips, which gives you the peace of mind of not having your phone accidentally slip off something. And the grip is actually better than I thought after moving around on this book. The other nice thing is that with the open bottom, all the swiping actions on the iPhone XR can be used without the case getting in the way. I also use magnetic phone mounts in my car, and the Spigen case is thin enough so that my XR can stick to my dash mount without falling off while driving. But going back to something I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I said that this was my second case for my XR. Originally I bought an imitation Apple case and this is what it looks like after only a few months of use. The silicone is completely coming off. It was cheap quality and it didn't stand up to regular usage. But I don't think I'll have the same problem with the Spigen case and I should have just got this one the first time around. The last thing I want to mention is that even though there's a lot of grip, my phone still slips into my back pocket easily. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.